Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to discuss how we can share an S3 object using something called as a pre-signed URL. This video is going to be part of the AWS quick tutorials playlist that I have on my channel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you can be updated whenever there is a new video available. So let's get started. So over here I have the S3 console open. I'll quickly go into the general purpose buckets to see my bucket here. So I have one bucket available over here. I'll click on the bucket to see the objects that are available in the bucket. Now I'll show you something interesting. So if I select this object and copy the URL of this particular object and open it in the browser, you will see something interesting. So this is the URL of the object from S3, right? And when I press enter, you would expect that the object, you will see that image, right, in the browser. But I'll show you something interesting. You will see that there is an access denied error that is coming. So does that mean that the S3 service is not working? No, the issue is something else. So if you remember in one of the videos when I was creating the bucket, right? So there was a setting for blocking all the public access to that to the bucket, right? So that means that any object that is there in the bucket is not public. So you can't just access them through a plain URL like this, right? So to access these objects, you have something called as a pre-signed URL, right? Which is nothing but this URL itself, but there is there is a long signature that is appended towards the end of this URL, which actually has all the credential information required to access that particular object. So I'll show you how to create one for this object. So you just have to select the object, go to actions, and you will see share with a pre-signed URL option. So click on this option and you can see that anyone which can access this object with this pre-signed URL until it expires. So there is an expiry time that is associated with this URL. It can be in minutes or hours. So for our URL, let me just give it a value of 5 minutes here, and I will just go ahead and create the pre-signed URL here. So once you create the preset URL, you can copy it from this good thing here. So it says copy the preset URL, and now I'm just going to paste it in the browser again. And you will now see that along with the URL that is there from beginning, right? So there is a very long signature that is also appended with the URL, right? And this signature has actually the credential which is required to, access this particular object. So I'll just go ahead and press enter now. And cool, the object is available now. Now this URL will be active till 5 minutes, and it's a very good feature of S3 that when you need to share something temporarily with someone, you have to give them access to an object, but temporarily you can do it via these pre-signed URLs. So that's it from this demo point of view. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in watching many more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can be updated whenever there is a new video available in the channel. Thank you very much.